Hi, it's Josh with Northwest Roof Maintenance. I'm currently in Happy Valley, Oregon, working on a brush and treat. Just started. I am using a metal bristle brush to clean the leading edge of the roof. This roof is fairly durable, so the metal brush seems to be quite suited for it. On other roofs where they're a little bit more older and might not be able to handle using metal bristle brushes, we use soft brushes. But for now, the metal bristle brush is seeming to being perfect for the situation. So I'm going to get at it and see how good it looks at the end. See you then. Well, I'm back. I'm almost finished up on brushing off, and soon I will blow it off, and then I will treat it with zinc. So I'll see you then. All right, we're all blown off, and the roof is looking good. All I have to do is add the zinc treatment, and I'll be completed. If you are in need of roof cleaning, you can contact us at Northwest Roof Maintenance. Have a great one.